My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 6. In this lecture, we will try to understand archive.org. This website is useful to perform passive reconnaissance. The idea is very simple. Whenever you are trying to mount any kind of attack, let's take analogy. Whenever two countries go for war, they are fighting with each other, but they do not blindly go to the field and start firing with their weapons. And they try to learn about the strengths and weakness of the enemy or the opponent. Then only they can identify what are the weak points and where they can hit them hard. So, in a same way, when you are trying to do some kind of penetration of a network, trying to do some kind of hacking, you will first have to gather some information and find out which are the weakest points, and those weakest points you can exploit. Information gathering or reconnaissance I discussed in my previous class. Now, talking about passive reconnaissance, let us briefly talk about the common sources from where information can be obtained. There is a site called archive.org where you can get complete history of websites, because archive.org maintains a history of how a website has been updated over time. Whenever there is a change in website, some of the pages in archive.org, the changes is automatically reflected. This particular website is very useful for gathering information of a website. With the help of archive.org, we can interact with past versions of any website and check the content of website on any particular date. We can get information regarding the website even if the website is not in live. To collect information, copy URL of the website and paste in search area of the archive.org. Just if you type if I type something like archive.org, this is the place, this is the area to collect information. Copy the URL of the website and paste in search area. This area is known as search area of archive.org. So let us see, we want to collect information related to facebook.com. Now what you have to do, just see this one. If you want to know the information related to facebook.com, what you have to do, in search area of the archive.org, just type facebook.com. So this updation, once if I type facebook.com and if I press enter, so this updation history of facebook.com website, just see, this is the updation history of facebook.com. They are up 2001, 2002, 2003. You can see the updated history of that particular website. Now we can go to any particular date. If you want to go, just you can go to particular date. Just see, I'm moving May 7th 2022, isn't it? If you want to go to any particular date, and we can check the website for that particular date. So this is the archive of Facebook on May 7th 2022. We can also compare, this is one important point, we can also compare two versions of the website. For example, let me say, how can I compare? Let me repeat. We can also compare two versions of a website to check what content has been added or deleted as compared to other versions. This is facebook.com. There is a tab, just see, For this we have to go to changes tab. This tab name is, what is this tab name? This tab name is changes tab. Now select any two versions. Let me say in 2022 facebook.com version, in 2021 facebook version. Just select any date, or these are the months and particular dates. Just select any two dates in 2022 and select any date in 2021. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to press this button, compare. Let me repeat. For this, we have to go to changes tab. This is changes tab. Now select any two versions. Let me say 2022 version and 2021 version of facebook.com of the website, any two versions of the website, and click on compare. Just click on compare. Yellow line indicates, once if you press on it, yellow line indicates that content is deleted, and blue line indicates that content is added. This once if I press that compare, you will that some content is maybe marked, will be marked with yellow color. Some content will be marked with blue line. What does it mean? Yellow line indicates that content is deleted, and blue line indicates that content is added. We can also generate sitemap for any website. For example, this is, let me say, this is search area. Here I typed nptel.ac.in. We can also generate sitemap. Just see, here I have tab sitemap. We can also generate sitemap for any website which gives information regarding the various pages available with particular URL. This is nptel.ac.in. That website pages, I can find information related to that particular URL by using sitemap. Let me repeat. We can also generate sitemap for any website which gives information regarding the various pages available with particular URL. For this, we have to go to sitemap. Just see, here you have sitemap. Just enter URL in search area and go to sitemap tab. This is the sitemap tab. This one is sitemap tab. Whose sitemap tab? Sitemap of whose? nptel.ac.in. In search area, I typed nptel.ac.in. Isn't it? The center circle. This one is center circle, isn't it? This center circle, what it indicates? Which indicates nptel.ac.in. This center circle indicates, just see, the center circle indicates nptel.ac.in. This is another page. If this is center circle, if I move here, what it indicates? nptel. Just see here, it says nptel.ac.in courses. This is center circle is nptel.ac.in. This indicates nptel.ac.in/courses. Means you can see the subdomains also. How will it be? Let me go to this particular archive.org. Just see, this one is archive.org. https archive.org means this one only you will get. This is the search area where you can search things. Just see, here you can search. Once if you search, just see, here I typed facebook.com. What we are getting? 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. You can see the history of this one. Where in which year you want, just press that year, and if you till you have 2022. For example, if you want to view the information related to March 9, 2019, what you have to go? Just go to 2019 in the month March. You just press 9. This is the web page. This is the web page of facebook.com on March 9th, 2019. In similar manner, what we were saying, we can compare two versions of the website. Just facebook.com, where you have to go, just press changes. Once if you press changes, just see, it is giving facebook.com version 2022 version, 2021 version, 20 version, 2019 version, 2018 version, 17, 16. Means you can choose any two versions of the web page. After choosing any two versions of the web page, just what you have to do, you have to press compare. Just if you press compare, it select any two dates in 2022. Just select some date, some version, and just select any two versions of the website and press compare. you will get this website. I already explained what is the meaning of yellow color, what is the meaning of blue color, isn't it? This is nptel.ac.in, for which I created sitemap. What we were saying, just see this one, nptel.ac.in, this center circle. If I just move outer circle, just see what it shows, nptel.ac. Just see here, just see this one, nptel.ac.in. This one is nptel.ac.in/courses. This one is nptel.ac.in courses/105 107. This is the sitemap. This is sitemap. We generated this particular sitemap for which website? For nptel.ac.in. This archive.org, as I told you, it is useful for gathering information of particular website. Just go through it. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.